Greetings, Sekhmets children, from Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet's Sapphire Sun, and today I am going to show you how to make a thick, moisturizing, extreme hair growth African black soap shampoo for mature, thinning hair. So if this interests you, stick around. And those that have subscribed, I want to thank you. And those that haven't, don't forget to make sure you like this video. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. African black soap feeds the hair and scalp, and it is full of vitamins and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. It also contains vitamins A and E. Because of these high nutrient contents in African black soap, it makes it far better than other soaps. Because of the antioxidants in African black soap, it is very useful for mature and thinning hair to promote thickness and growth. It also softens and moisturizes the hair. I am now getting ready to measure out 4 ounces of African black soap. And so before you do that, you make sure your scale is on 0, which is called tare, T-A-R-E. And now I'm going to proceed to chop it up into small pieces so it can be easier to melt in the distilled water. I apologize. I wasn't filming when I was pouring the 2 cups of distilled water to melt the African black soap for our thick moisturizing extreme hair growth African black soap for mature thinning hair. And so the next clip I will be showing you guys how I thickened it. I use 3 items to thicken up my African black soap shampoo. The first 2 items are a 1/2 cup of distilled water and the next item will be a 1/2 cup of vegetable glycerin. And I will be heating those 2 up and mixing them together so that they will be the base for my thickener, which is xanthan gum. Now it's time to mix together the heated distilled water and heated vegetable glycerin. And I heated those 2 for 30 seconds. And then you need to mix it very, very well so that they can be prepared to receive the xanthan gum. I like using a strainer to pour in my xanthan gum because xanthan gum has a tendency to clump up very easily. And so the strainer helps it to fall down in small portions so it doesn't do that as bad. And so you can say I put about a tablespoon and a half, those of you who like measurements. And so then you mix it until it dissolves. And sometimes you will have to put it back into the microwave for another 15 to 30 seconds. As you can see some clumps, but it would have been worse if I hadn't used the strainer. As you can see, it is already gelling, and I'm kind of a perfectionist. I don't like seeing the clumps because I never really check to see if those clumps will come out if I was to put it in the liquid African black soap, and so I didn't want to take any chances. So I'm going to be taking this back to the microwave for another 15 seconds. We are back from the microwave, and as you can see, it has gotten thicker. Let me give you the benefits of vegetable glycerin for the hair. Vegetable glycerin is a natural compound that has a property of retaining water, which makes it useful as a moisturizer for your hair. Because glycerin prevents flaking and prevention of dandruff, it promotes hair growth. Now let's talk about xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is useful in shampoos, hair conditioners, and styling products. It produces thick and creamy products that are very thermally stable. It is also a water binder and as an emulsifier. It allows oils and waters to mix. To save yourself some time, make sure you make this African black soap shampoo a day or so before, because it takes at least 35 to 45 minutes to thicken, and sometimes longer. It depends on the thickness of your solution with the xanthan gum. Once I bottled this thick, moisturizing, extreme hair growth African black soap shampoo for mature thinning hair, I will be taking you guys into the kitchen and showing how it lathers and how it moisturizes the hair. Okay, Sekhmet's children, I'm finished with washing my hair with the thick, moisturizing, extreme hair growth, African black soap shampoo for mature thinning hair. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but my hair has gotten a lot thicker and my edges are coming in very, very nicely. Thank you for watching, Sekhmet's children. My thick, moisturizing, extreme hair growth African black soap shampoo for thinning mature hair at Sekhmet's Healing Kitchen. Please comment below if you have made an African black soap like this before, and did you enjoy it? Please comment below. And also, I would like to invite you to subscribe and like this video. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember, love yourself unconditionally without judgment. Until next time.